Make sure you have everything that you need to make the Rotel. Some drink for me with the Rotel. Chips, party bag Doritos. This is what we use. That's what I like to eat with. The cheese, Velveeta original. They got different types of cheese though that you can use. That's Velveeta, but different kinds. Got the original Rotel. And I got 2 cans of these. This is what brings the flavor out for the Rotel. And they got different kinds of these too. They got hot and mild as well. But the Walmart I just went to didn't have those. They only had these, so I grabbed that.
No signal. No signal.
Make sure, excuse the TV, y'all. Make sure you have the ground beef. And if you're making a lot for seconds and for a family, get another one. Also, we like to put shrimp in ours. Small bag of shrimp, already cut tails, already cooked. Make sure you have a big pot and a little pot. The little pot is for the shrimp. Alright, so what you want to do right here is break the meat down into small pieces, as much as you can. Add the other meat if you want, so it should look like that. Try to chop it up. I didn't have a spatula, so I just used a spoon. So chop it up. Toss it around a little bit, mix it up. Make sure you check on the shrimp as well. And keep watching it because it will overflow. The water will overflow if you don't watch it. Keep stirring it up till you see the cooked meat. Bring the cooked meat from the bottom to the top. And whatever ain't cooked, put that at the bottom. Keep stirring it up. It should start looking like that when it's almost done. So once it looks like that, that way you'll know. Just let it cook for a little bit more, and you'll be ready. So then you want to drain the meat in the sink. Make sure you get all the meat out, so that there is no water left in the pot. And then you just put the meat back in. Oh yeah. Use the salt. Well, I use the salt at the bottom of the pot so that it won't burn the meat at the bottom. But you just put the meat back in, all the meat, and the meat gonna automatically make water by itself, so you don't need to add water. Next, you want to open the cans. I sped it up a little bit because it took a little while, but you want to open the can, both cans. Open that one, put it to the side, pull the other one up, start to open that one. I like to pour one of the cans out, or the juice of one of the cans out. other juice in the other can to go in the pot. So you want to pour both cans in the pot. And if you feel like it's too much tomato or Rotel sauce, you could leave some in the pan, put it in the refrigerator, whatever you want to do with it, it's up to you. But I don't like a lot of tomatoes. My fiance do. She get mad at me when I throw it away. Alright, so when the shrimp is done boiling, you could drain that as well. For us, we like to eat the shrimp with our Rotel because it tastes better. Plus, we like seafood. So you just add the shrimp in the pot, turn the pot on low so that you don't burn it. If you put it on high, it'll burn the bottom of the pan. So next thing you want to do is open the cheese and cut the cheese up. I like to cut it into about 4 pieces. So then you just add the cheese and you can add one by one and let it boil each one, but me, I like to put multiple in at once just because I want to eat, I'm ready to eat. So after you put all the cheese in and it melts, you should stir it up and it'll look like this. So right here, you almost about done. So, well, you are done actually. So there you go. You got the Rotel, you got the chips, you got the drink, whatever you want.